So we're sitting in an Adley home right now, who is one of the premier builders in the area, if not the premier builder. He does a lot of things that many builders don't do. Like one of the things that I particularly like that Jamie Adley does, so much that I even bought one of his homes, is he uses this zip roofing system. And it is a composite board that is water resistant, and the seams are all taped before the shingles go on. So you've got a home that is not going to leak. So one of the other things that Adley Homes does that many of the other builders don't do or charge extra for is they use a core foam injectable insulation in every open block cell. Many of the blocks are filled with concrete and steel, but for all the other blocks in the home, they're filled with this core foam insulation. And it does a couple of things for you. One is it keeps your electric bills down. And the other thing it does is it allows you to live in a much quieter house. One of the other things that you'll find in an Adley home are these pocket doors that allows you to bring the inside out or the outside in. All these doors in all of his homes slide back against the wall, so you've got a huge, great big opening. So if you're having an event, barbecue, people can easily flow inside and out. All in all, you can't really go wrong with buying an Adley home. Right now, he is closing out of this subdivision. He has 4 homes left that are a great value. If you calculate the per square foot price, you want to take a look at the total square footage, because he uses extra large porches, lots of larger garages and carports. So it's a little bit misleading if you just use the living area as a per square foot price comparing to some of the other builders. But for a real quality home, you've got a really great value at these closeout prices of these last 4 homes. So we'd love to have you come take a look. We're here 7 days a week. Give me a call or text at 386-898-0700. We'd love to show you these homes or find the perfect home for you. Look forward to seeing you soon.